Hi everyone, welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. Today I'm going to be talking about some of the Disney merchandise that I got over this trip. Now this isn't all of the stuff that I got over the trip. This is just like fashion items. So as many of you probably don't know, I did go to Florida for my birthday and I spent 2 days at Disney and I have accumulated a decent amount of items. So without further ado, let's get started. Aside from all the other stuff that I got, I did get some like enamel pins, but I have already put them on like a special pin lanyard because I collect pins wherever I went. So that's that. I wish I could show you, but I was just too eager. I'm going to start off with the ear headbands that I got. Now I own 4 pairs of headbands, but I bought 3 over this trip. The first pair I got is one of their brand new pairs, which is their donut ears. Now I just thought these were really cute and I just love all their new food merchandise that they have throughout the parks. But yeah, love these. These are super cute and these are not that uncomfortable, so they're great. The next pair I bought, but I have not worn them yet, and those are their chocolate Mickey ice cream headbands, I guess. You probably don't know what I'm talking about. They have like these ice creams where it's in the shape of a Mickey head and it's covered with chocolate ice cream, and that's what this is inspired by. So I just thought these were really cute and I had to get them. On to the last 3 items. They are like a collection because they're all in the same color. They just came out like a month ago, and there's a bunch of other stuff in the collection, but these were the only 3 things I grabbed, but there has been a ton more stuff that I still want to get. So the first thing is my last pair of ears, which is their Potion purple sequin ears. I absolutely love these. Now these did give me a little bit of a headache when I wore them, but I still need to, stretch them out, wear them, really break them in. But I love the color. Purple is one of my favorites because my birthstone is amethyst and it's purple, so how could I not love purple? I love these so much. The next thing I got, which was a surprise from my nurse and her daughter, thank you to you guys if you are watching, they gave me this backpack. And when I got this, I was very surprised and happy, but I love it. I love the size. I love how it's small enough to like carry it in my hand, but I can still have it on my back if I wanted to. And it's just, I love it. I love it. I love the purple color. I love the mini ears. And yeah, I love this thing. And the last thing I have to share with you guys is something I've had such a hard time finding through the past like 2 or 3 days that I was at Disney. And that is their purple Spirit jerseys. Now I do own their blue Spirit jersey that I got when I went down in September. And I love that size. I think it's like a medium or large, but it fits me great and it's really pretty. This one, however, is a size smaller than I wanted. It'll still fit. Now in Disney sizes, they have a wide range, but they tend to run a size larger than like normal people sizes. So like this that I have is a small, but to us it would really be a medium type of thing. So always be cautious of that if you're trying to purchase something from Disney. Always go a size smaller than what you would normally wear. I'm very excited to wear this when I go back to school. So that is it for this extremely short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment down below if you have any of these items, if you want any of these items, or if you have gone to Disney in the past couple months. Be sure to give this video a like if you liked it, and click the subscribe button down below, as well as the little bell next to it to be notified of all of our new videos. And remember, we post 2 beauty videos a week, one on Mondays, which is a Mom Me Day, and on Thursdays, which is either Teen Take or Mom Moment. Be sure to share this video with your friends if they love Disney and if you would think that it's helpful to them. And be sure to follow us on social media. First is on Instagram with our MomNMeBeauty account, as well as with me under Emma_N_2004, and on Pinterest with me under that same username. And lastly, follow our new Snapchat accounts. My Snap is Emma_N2004. It's basically the same as all my other usernames, but without the underscore before the 2004 and after that. That is it for this video, and we will see you next time in our next Mom Me video. Bye, everyone.